The middleweight naked bike segment is crowded with strong contenders. From a Yamaha MT-09 to the Triumph Street Triple, riders are spoiled for choice when it comes to performance-oriented motorcycles that balance power, agility, and price. Into this fiercely contested field enters the 2026 CFMoto 675NK, a motorcycle that may just rewrite expectations for what an affordable naked bike can deliver. Armed with a triple-cylinder engine, advanced electronics, and aggressive styling, the 675NK offers a package that feels anything but budget-oriented. Yet at $7,499, it undercuts many of its rivals by thousands of dollars. This isn't just another new model. It's a bold move from CFMoto, one that signals its growing ambitions on the global stage. A triple engine with serious punch. One of the 675NK's most remarkable features is its 674 cubic centimeters inline triple engine. For a company previously known for parallel twins and singles, the move to a three-cylinder power plant marks a major step forward. It places CFMoto in direct competition with Triumph Street Triple, a motorcycle long regarded as the benchmark in this category. The numbers are impressive. 95 horsepower at 10,500 RPM and 52 lb-ft of torque at 8,250 RPM. This isn't just adequate performance. It's exciting performance, particularly for riders who enjoy an engine that revs freely while still delivering usable mid-range torque. It's a balance that makes the bike both fun for spirited riding and practical for daily commutes. The addition of Bosch electronic fuel injection ensures precise throttle control, while 2 levels of traction control add confidence when conditions turn unpredictable. For an entry-priced motorcycle, the presence of such features is rare and noteworthy. Transmission tech from higher segments. Transmission features often reveal how serious a manufacturer is about performance, and here CFMoto delivers. The 675NK's 6-speed gearbox comes with an upshift-only quickshifter and a slipper clutch as standard. The quickshifter provides seamless upshifts at speed, letting riders accelerate without touching the clutch lever. It's the kind of feature that turns an ordinary ride into an exhilarating one. Meanwhile, the slipper clutch prevents rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifts, adding stability when braking hard before a corner. These are features you would expect on motorcycles in the $10,000 range, not on something that costs just $7,499. It's a strong indication that CFMoto aims to challenge perceptions of what budget motorcycles can offer. Weight, ergonomics, and accessibility. At 417 pounds curb weight with a full 4-gallon tank, the 675NK finds a sweet spot between stability and agility. It's light enough for nimble handling, yet substantial enough to feel planted at highway speeds. The 31.9-inch seat height ensures accessibility for a wide range of riders. Shorter riders will find it manageable, while taller riders won't feel cramped. CFMoto clearly designed the ergonomics to appeal to as many riders as possible, making it a versatile choice whether you're commuting, canyon carving, or embarking on weekend road trips. Suspension with KYB components. Handling is another area where the 675NK punches above its price. Suspension duties are handled by KYB, a trusted brand used by numerous premium motorcycles. The inverted front fork is fully adjustable, giving riders control over damping to fine-tune ride quality. At the rear, the KYB shock offers rebound and preload adjustability. While it lacks compression damping, the level of adjustability still surpasses what many competitors offer in this price bracket. For riders who want a balance between comfort and sporty handling, the setup is more than sufficient. Tires and tire monitoring. The 675NK is equipped with CST-S 3N dual compound tires. With harder rubber in the center for longevity and softer compounds on the edges for cornering grip, the tires are designed to handle both everyday commuting and spirited weekend rides. A standout feature is the inclusion of a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. This technology is not typically found on motorcycles in this class and price range. By giving riders real-time data on tire health, TPMS improves safety and adds a layer of convenience usually associated with more expensive models. Braking with confidence. Stopping power comes from radially mounted 4-piston J.1 calipers at the front, paired with Bosch dual-channel ABS. This combination ensures strong braking performance with the safety net of anti-lock braking when conditions deteriorate. Although rotor sizes haven't been disclosed, the pedigree of J.1 and Bosch components suggests reliability and quality. For riders looking for confidence under hard braking, the 675NK has them covered. Digital integration and connectivity. Modern motorcycles aren't judged on mechanics alone. Technology has become an integral part of the riding experience. The 675NK features a 5-inch TFT display, presenting essential information with clarity and style. Through Bluetooth integration and the CFMoto Ride Sync app, riders can pair their smartphones for calls, navigation, and notifications. It's a feature set that rivals much more expensive motorcycles, ensuring that the 675NK feels modern and connected. Styling that commands attention. Beyond performance and technology, the 675NK has the looks to match its ambition. Its design is sharp, muscular, and aggressive. Everything riders expect from a naked street fighter. From the sculpted tank to the angular headlight, it exudes a futuristic and athletic presence. Available in glacier white and tundra gray, the color palette is simple yet effective, allowing the lines and proportions of the motorcycle to shine through. It's a bike designed to turn heads, whether parked in front of a cafe or tearing down a canyon road. Spec sheet snapshot. Engine: 674 cubic centimeters inline triple. Output: 95 horsepower at 10,500 RPM/52 lb-ft at 8,250 RPM. Transmission: 6-speed, quick shifter, upshift only, slipper clutch. Suspension: KYB adjustable inverted fork. KYB rear shock with rebound and preload. Brakes: J.1 radial calipers, Bosch ABS. Tires: CSTS 3N dual compound. 120/70-17 front, 180/55-17 rear. Electronics: TFT dash, Ride Sync app, Bluetooth, traction control, TPMS. Weight: 417 pounds curb. Seat height: 31.9 in. Fuel tank, for gallons. Colors: glacier white, tundra gray. MSRP: $7,499. Challenging the competition. What makes the CFMoto 675NK so intriguing is how it compares to rivals. Triumph Street Triple remains the gold standard for triple-powered naked bikes, but it comes with a significantly higher price tag. Yamaha's MT-09 offers raw power but costs more and lacks some of the 675NK's features like TPMS. CFMoto's offering may not eclipse these motorcycles in outright performance,